Hey guys, I'm going to show you how to remove profile photo in Canva. If you no longer want a profile photo displayed on your Canva account, you can replace it with another image or remove it if the option is available. So to do that, open Canva, then sign into your Canva account. Next, click your profile photo in the bottom left corner. Next, select your account. Next, under your profile, so go to your profile section. So here, profile photo, then click remove photo beside it. Or if the trash bin icon is available, go ahead and click on that. So we're going to click remove photo, then click remove photo to confirm the action. And your profile photo will be removed. If there's no remove option, you can click change photo or upload photo and upload a different image to replace it. So click upload photo and upload the image and wait for it to be uploaded, and that's it. So the changes will be saved automatically. Now, on the Canva mobile app, open the Canva app and sign in. Tap menu or your profile, then tap settings, then select your profile, then tap your profile picture and choose remove photo or upload a new one to replace the existing photo. So if you don't see a remove photo option, depending on your Canva account type or app version, Canva may not let you have a completely blank profile photo. In that case, your only option is to replace the card picture with another image. So, removing or changing your profile photo only affects your Canva account and won't alter your designs or shared projects. And that's it. Thank you for watching.